Salim Ali. Salim Ali, one of the greatest ornithologists and naturalists of all time, is also known as the Birdman of India. He was one of the very first scientists to carry out systematic bird survey in India and abroad. His research work is considered highly influential in the development of ornithology. Salim Ali was born on 12 November 1896, the youngest of 9 children. His father died when he was a year old and his mother passed away when he was 3. Now orphaned, Salim Ali was raised by his aunt in Mumbai. He published a research paper discussing the nature and the activities of weaver bird in 1930. The article made him famous and established his name in the field of ornithology. Salim Ali also traveled from place to place to find the conducting bird survey and making detailed observations. He published the Book of Indian Birds in 1941, in which he discussed the kinds and habitats of Indian birds. Also co-authored the book Handbook of Birds of India and Pakistan, a comprehensive book covering 10 years of work from 1964 to 1974 that describes the birds of the subcontinent, their appearance, habitat, breeding habits, migration, etc. Salim not only researched about birds, but also contributed to the arena of protection of nature. For his extraordinary efforts, he was given an international award of Rs 5 lakh, but he donated all the money to the Bombay Natural History Society. The government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 1958 and Padma Vibhushan in 1976.